Greetings everyone, welcome to DCC YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss the second question which was asked in the LeetCode latest contest. So the question states that we have to pick the number from the 1 to n, and what are the conditions for choosing integers from the 1 to n. The condition is that we have to choose the integers such that each integer can be choose at most once, right? We cannot choose the number more than one. Number should not be in band vector. Basically it's stating that they have provided a sets of integers and our chosen number should not present in that set, and the sum of our chosen integers, if we selected the three integers a b c, so sum of integers a plus b plus c must be less than equal to maximum. Okay, so yeah, I guess the question is pretty much straightforward. One thing to note that we have not to maximize the sum, but to maximize the sum means the sum of the chosen element should be maximum, but we have to maximize the number of element we can choose. Okay, so let's just see the given sample test cases for the better understanding. It's given band array is 1, 6 and 5, n is equal to 5 and sum is equal to 6, so we can choose the number from 1 to 5. So 1 to 5, so can we choose 1? We cannot choose 1. Can we choose 2? Yes, we can choose 2. Can we choose 3? Yes, we can choose 3 because the 2 plus 1 will be 5 and it's less than 6. Can we choose 4? No, we cannot choose 4. Since we cannot choose 4, I don't think we can choose the any number which comes after 4, because anything which is greater than 4, if we add them, then the sum will be greater than the maximum. So we cannot choose 4 onward numbers. So the total number of digits we can choose is 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. One thing to note here, we are maximizing the number of digits we are choosing, not the maximizing the sum which we have chosen. Okay, so if we select see the question, next sample test case, it's given the number from the 1 to 7 and we have to choose the number from the 1 to 8 and the maximum sum should be 1. So we cannot choose 1, we cannot choose 2 because it's there, so we can choose from 1 to 8, we can only choose 8, but we cannot also choose 8 because if we choose 8, then our sum will be greater than maximum, so the total number of digits we can choose is 0. So I guess question is pretty much straightforward. Let me walk through the code for the better understanding of the code and the question. Okay, so I have declared a map. Why I have declared the map? To check whether the number which I am currently want to choose from the 1 to n, is it present in my band vector or not. Okay, and I will do this operation O of 1 with the help of unordered map, right? You can also choose the ordered map, but I have chosen the unordered map because I don't need a sorted map, right? So I have just simply used the map to keep the record of the element, whether it is present in my band array or not. If it is present in my band array or vector, the count of the count of that number will be 1, and I will know that this I have not to choose this number. Okay, and the sum is the my current sum, the sum of the elements which I have chosen, and count is the total number of element I have chosen, right? The count of total number of element. So I have run the loop from the 1 to n because it's given that we can choose the number from 1 till n, right? Both the 1 and n included. So I have run the loop from 1 to n, and I have checked what I have checked here. I have checked there that the ith, if the number which I gonna choose or I want to choose, if it is present in my band array, okay, or if it is greater than my max sum, then I will not choose this number. I will choose this number only when this number is not present in band array and the previous sum, or else, or I can say the sum of the elements I have already chosen plus the number which I am gonna choose now. If this sum is less than the max sum, then only I will choose this number, or else I will not choose this number, right? And if I choose this number, then I will increase the sum by I, or the amount of the by the chosen number. Basically, if I chosen 4, then my total sum or my current sum will be previous sum plus 4, right? It's pretty much straightforward, I guess. And I have increment the counter to keep the counter, right? Because I have chosen one number, and at the end I have just returned the count. So this was it from this question. I don't think anything hard in there. It just you have to optimize it by using the map, and you can also optimize this by adding the break statement, but I guess it will work in the given complexity. So let us see the time complexity of this code. So I have used the unordered map, and this loop will run for the size of the band array. So it's given the 10 to the power 4. Okay, and uh, the one and the n is given is also 10 to the power 4. So this loop will pass is something like 10 to the power 4. So basically the complexity comes out to be something about O of n, and in the under the given constraints it will pass, right? So this was all from my side. I hope you understand the question. And okay, yeah, let me submit the code also for for your for showing that it's running fine. Let me exit this. And yeah, it's accepted. So yeah, this was my approach. If you have any doubt, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.